As part of the special summary revision, special campaigns were held across the state yesterday for enrollment, corrections and deletions. It also included campaigns held in riverine polling stations of Meghalaya located along the Indo-Bangladesh border through the Port of Democracy into Amlaram subdivision, West Janta Hills district. The Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills and SDO Civil Amlaram led the systematic voters' education and electoral participation and election teams on the Board of Democracy to Kamsing, the smallest polling station in the state.